You're only 60 seconds away from a superior sonic clean. Here's everything you need to know about the Mary Kay Skinvigorate Sonic Skincare System. Hand cleansing alone can leave a lot of pore clogging grime behind. Using the Skinvigorate Sonic Skincare System can help you remove 4 times more dirt, oil, impurities, makeup, and pollutants than hand cleansing alone. Plus, with the facial massage head, you can customize your routine for the ultimate skincare experience. And here's a pro tip. For a limited time, you can get this Skinvigorate stand for free with your purchase of this system. This convenient, space-saving stand stores your device while it's not in use and helps the brush to dry. It even has this cute little spot for a backup cleansing head or facial massage head. The sonic-powered brush oscillates more than 200 times per second and features 3 speeds: gentle, standard, and power, to control your cleansing with the touch of a button. The automatic 1-minute timer ensures that you get a superior clean every time. The rechargeable battery means no more digging for replacements, and the LED indicator quickly shows when it's time to charge your device. A full charge can last up to 30 days. It's recommended to replace the facial cleansing brush head every 3 months. It's super easy to snap off an old cleansing brush for a new one. Or try the facial massage head. Apply your favorite Mary Kay serum or oil and let the face-hugging design go to work. Massage is known to promote microcirculation, bringing oxygen and nutrients to the skin. 3 out of 4 women said that they prefer using the facial massage head over their fingers to apply serum, and said it felt like a daily workout for their face. Because it's waterproof, you can safely go from the sink to the shower. It's such a great tool for women and men of all ages who are looking for a superior way to care for their skin. Contact your independent beauty consultant to learn more about the Mary Kay Skinvigorate Sonic Skincare System. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Check out these other videos that I think you'll enjoy, and tell us in the comments below if you learned something new today.